everyone, these are the adjusted elements to the Dance Monkey line dance. We've just done some adjustments so that it stays facing wall 1, and it's a great chance for you just to repeat the basic elements of it and get some great practice. Begins with your right foot, and we're going to do a forward shuffle to the side for 1 and 2, then forward shuffle to the left for 3 and 4. We're now going to do a pivot turn for 5, 6, and we're going to walk for 7, 8. Notice I'm angling up on a corner here. Section 2 is going to be syncopated side breaks beginning with the right foot for 1 and 2, 3 and 4. And notice I use that opportunity to just kind of turn myself a little bit back to wall 1. We're then going to do a jazz box with the right foot stepping across for 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 3 begins with voltas. With the right foot we begin 1 and 2, up, 3, up, 4. We then have syncopated rocking chair beginning with the left foot for 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Section 4 begins with the right foot with 2 walks back for 1, 2. We then have a coaster step for 3 and 4. And then syncopated points stepping forward for 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. You want to make sure you end up with the right foot free, and we would begin all over again. Full run through with counting will look like this. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8.
They say, oh my God, I see the way you shine. Take your hand, my dear, and place them both in mine. You know you stopped me dead while I was passing by. And now I beg to see you dance just one more time. Ooh, I see you every time. And oh my, I like your style. You make me wanna cry. And now I beg to see you dance just one more time. So they say, dance for me, dance for me, dance for me, oh. I never seen anybody do the things you do before. They say, move for me, move for me, move for me, eh. And when you're done, I'll make you do it all again. I said, oh my